Hi there, this is Penelope. This is, well, hopefully the final video for DE4102, Trimester 1, 2019. It's just a reminder for some of you that you have to do Assignment 15. Now, all the others are composed of a written assignment and a My Math Lab test, but Test 15 or Assignment 15 is just online. It's just My Math Lab. It's worth, look at it, it's worth, if I can get my red pen to go, it's worth 2% on its own. All the other My Math Lab tests were only worth 1% because the other 1% came from the written assignment, but the Test 15 is worth 2%. So it's really worthwhile doing. Now, it's revision. You can do it as many times as you like. I think there's an hour and a half, maybe even 2 hours for it. It'll show up when you go into My Math Lab anyway. But please do make sure you do it. You should revise as I've set out in class. Look at the calendar. Now, these dates are a bit wonky from about here onwards. Remember, I sent you out a new calendar with the corrected dates in them. But you should look at that calendar, look at the exam that I've sent you, or the exams, the 2018 exams, choose your topic, find where they are in the textbook, and then look at the study plan, do heaps of exercises. Even if you've done them before, do heaps of exercises, focus on the bits that you can't do, look it up in the textbook, look it up in your notes, look that video up, and if you still can't do it, then send me an email. Obviously, you'll have your fundamentals exam on Monday to focus on first, but after that, it's all for me, right? It's for the maths. So just make sure that you don't forget to do Assignment 15. Okay, good luck.